Hi everybody, Stephen Edgerton here with another CYT-Crypto episode. We're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart. So we jump over at the moment and see where we are. We are at 32,948, not 3,000. You can see here we've got the traffic light kind of charts here. So we've got the green at the top, we've got 41,363. That's the kind of top line, and I'll show you these in a second. All you need to do is really look at the supports and kind of volume and a couple of other things when you're doing TA. We've got kind of support and resistance here. We're kind of swinging between these at 33,500, and we've got the bottom line at 29,100-ish. You can see we bounced perfectly off that. This is on the 1 hour chart. If we go to the 4 hour chart, you can see we've bounced a couple of times of the 29,000 area. So that's long-term support for the 29,100 area. If we break the long-term support, we're going down to around about the 24,000 mark, 23,900. If we break that support, then it could be 19,603. I don't expect that to happen. I've said all along, I think the lowest we're going to go is the 29,100. We've done that already. And now this is the kind of crucial area just now, this 33,500. Can the bulls push back up to there and push it and make it support? So it's yo-yoing between that 33,500 between support and resistance. So it's now acting as resistance just now. So we need to break through that just now. But we've got some good news out, as in Brazil has just brought out a Bitcoin ETF, which has just started trading today, which is good. Good news. So that will push the price of Bitcoin higher once more retail investors or stock market investors invest in that. It means they don't have to open up their own wallets. They don't have to bother about all the kind of the hassle of doing kind of crypto, their own private keys. They can just go to the broker and buy a Bitcoin ETF. And remember, when you buy a kind of Bitcoin ETF, it's a physical Bitcoin ETF that you're buying. So when you buy it, if you bought 0.1 Bitcoin, the company then buy 0.1 of Bitcoin at the same time. So that's why Bitcoin ETFs are so important just now. Canada's got one, Brazil's got one. It's only a matter of time before USA gets one, before UK gets one. Germany's talking about it as well. So it's only a matter of time before the ETFs come, and been saying that for a couple of years. But they're finally here already and trading around the world just now. So Bitcoin price should go up short term. We might see a drop back down to 29,000 area. If we're looking at the Wyckoff as well, this might be the spring area for the Wyckoff, or this might have been the spring area. We might retest it again and go back up, or we could just retest around about 31,000 area and bounce back up from there. I don't think it's going to go below 29,000. I can't see it happening. I've said all along that 29,000 was going to be the low point for it, and it did get there a couple of days ago. So that's it with Bitcoin just now. We'll be looking at a couple of other charts and doing those as well. But for now, Bitcoin's looking okay. It's not looking that bad at all. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.